Compound trading is a disciplined cycle of signals that, over 10 years, turned $1,000 into $2 million by following every entry and exit. This year alone, there was a 98% gain in TQQQ, which is nearly tripling the buy and hold approach that returned just about 35%. The performance gap really shows how systematic timing consistently beats just staying exposed through every decline, and honestly, it helps avoid those deep losses. Avoiding deep losses, it really wrecks long-term returns if you don't. A 50% loss actually requires a 100% gain just to break even, which is a pretty lopsided recovery. Buy and hold stays through those major corrections, and deep losses can consume years of gains. But cycle-based positioning, it preserves gains so that captured growth continues uninterrupted, and each successful trade builds on the previous one without those periodic resets. Timing major turns beats being exposed to every decline because it eliminates that dead time where your capital just sits during corrections, eroding your gains. Daily cycle signals have consistently beaten buy and hold since 2015. Being present for major advances and absent during significant declines allows gains to build uninterrupted, without those corrections that require recovery. Each avoided correction preserves capital, so subsequent gains actually multiply from higher bases. Consistency really builds wealth through disciplined, systematic trades. A 10-year track record following every cycle, every entry and exit, has actually created exponential growth. Each successful trade adds to your base, and then subsequent percentage gains apply to increasingly larger balances, which multiplies the absolute impact. By removing emotion and guesswork, systematic execution over extended periods lets the math work in your favor, so that in later years, you can produce dramatically larger gains. If you're ready to trade with more discipline, clarity, and confidence, and maybe even predict the market days or weeks in advance, then join the Market Turning Points community and visit stockforecasttoday.com.